Welcome to Saturn's Kitchen. Today we are making a creamy spinach stuffed salmon. Because soggy spinach is not the move, you are going to want to start off by squeezing out all of the water from a frozen pack of spinach. Once the water is extracted, scoop out a few spoons of artichoke dip that could be purchased at your local grocery store. If you want a creamier consistency, go ahead and scoop out about 3 to 4 spoonfuls. Once your dip is added to the spinach, give it a nice mix so that the two combine really well. So because I'm not a big fan of spinach, I'm gonna go ahead and add just an extra scoop of love because it's not gonna hurt nobody. After combining the spinach and dip together, you're gonna wanna sprinkle some shredded Parmesan cheese. So mix the cheese in there real well before adding in your final ingredient, which is going to be green onions that are going to be diced in. So I'm not judge, I'm going to clarify that yes, these are my kitchen scissors. So once you are done cutting your green onions up, if you want to regrow it, what you could do is add it upside down to a cup of water. And if you place it near a window that gets a lot of sunlight, it will grow back in 3 or 4 days. With all your ingredients added in, go ahead and give it one final mix and place it to the side. To get your salmon ready for the stuffing that you created, what you are going to want to do is cut it into fillet, or you could purchase it pre-cut from the store. So here is an example of the slits that we are going to be making. To get started, you're going to want to start off by making a thin horizontal cut closest to the skin of the salmon. So you don't want this cut to be too big so that it doesn't tear through the salmon. So you are going to start off by making a small cut and use your hands after that small cut is made to create a larger pocket. So the size of your pockets will determine how much stuffing will go into your salmon. The more stuffing you want, the larger your pockets will be. Repeat the same style and the same cut on all of your fillet pieces. Once all your pockets are created, you're going to want to stuff each pocket with the creamy spinach dip that was created earlier on. Alright, here's the final look. And of course, not all the pieces are going to be aesthetically beautiful. However, they will all be edible. Now comes my favorite part, seasoning. So you are going to want to use some Old Bay and cover each fillet up. Do not hold back on this part at all. After the Old Bay, I did sprinkle some seasoned salt, which will not be shown in this video. After my seasoned salt, I used some paprika. And now go ahead and finish it off with some garlic salt. And again, add as much or as little seasoning as you like. Alright, now go ahead and heat up a skillet on medium heat and drizzle in some olive oil. Once your oil heats up, go ahead and add in some garlic paste or freshly minced garlic. So I definitely was struggling here, but it's all good because one way or another eventually came out. Mix in your garlic and allow it to simmer for about 1 to 2 minutes. After your garlic simmers, add in your salmon. So I just had a regular skillet. However, if anyone has a cast iron skillet, I highly recommend that that is the skillet you use whenever you make salmon. Rotate and flip your salmon so that it evenly cooks on each side. Salmon is definitely best when it is not overcooked, so definitely keep a close eye so that you do not overcook your salmon. So I've definitely been moving that salmon around. So again, just to reiterate the point I made earlier, overcooked salmon is not a move, so keep a close eye on your salmon so that you do not overcook it. And this is how it's done. Look at that salmon. So once you're done cooking your salmon, go ahead and pair it with some potatoes, green beans, whatever you like. And that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and hit the subscribe button.